Good morning student. I am Kavita, SS teacher in Surya School. In last video, we described the French Revolution history lesson number 1st. And today now we discuss on the lesson number 3rd, geography, drainage. What is drainage? Drainage means we describe a river system of an area, and drainage basin which are drained by a single river. Which area are drained by a single river system is called drainage basin. Now let us start. India river system divide into two parts. In India, river system divided in two parts: Himalaya river and the Peninsular river. First of all, I explain Himalaya river. Himalaya river, we know that these rivers are perennial. Perennial means these rivers have water throughout the year. These rivers have long course because they have water and they long course. In middle course, these rivers make meanders and oxbow. These rivers developed delta. Largest delta of the world, Ganga Brahmaputra delta, Brahmaputra delta, also made by Himalaya river. Now let us start Peninsular river. Peninsular river are seasonal river because they have less water and receive water only in rainy season. Himalaya river long course and other than Peninsular river have short course. Peninsular river originate in Western Ghat and they flow in Bay of Bengal. Now let us start Himalaya river. Himalaya river are three. Number 8, Indus. Number 2, the Ganga. Number 3, the Brahmaputra. In the Indus river. The Indus river originating near Mansarovar Lake, Tibet. It entered in India in Ladakh. Here it meets its tributaries like Jaskar, Cham. Then it entered in Pakistan. In Pakistan, a place of Mithankot. There it's meet 5 rivers like Ravi, Satluj, Vyas, Jhelum and Chenab. After that, it drain in Arabian Sea. It's originate near Mansarovar Lake and drained in the Arabian Sea. Its length 2,900 kilometers. 2,900 kilometers, but only 20% of water India use this. In 1960, Indus Water Treaty between India and Pakistan. According to with this treaty, India only 20% water use for irrigation. And state Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana use this water for irrigation. Now we discuss on the Ganga River. The Ganga River originates in Gangotri Glacier. In Devprayag, in Uttarakhand, it meets Alaknanda, and here its name Ganga. Ganga River, when reaching in Allahabad, he meets Yamuna, its largest tributaries. Largest tributaries है गंगा की यमुना. It's originated from the Yamunotri Glacier. Now Ganga have two types of tributaries, and the first left bank tributaries and second right bank tributaries. Left जो बैंक इसकी tributaries है वो है घग्गर, गंडक and Kosi. These three rivers rise in Nepal Himalaya. And second is right bank of the river is Sindh, Betwa, Chambal. These are its right bank tributaries, and they are also meet in Ganga. After that, Ganga reached West Bengal and then entering Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, Ganga's name is Padma. Here it meets Brahmaputra river and both rivers drain into Arabian Sea. Gangotri Glacier to Arabian Sea, Ganga river length is 2,500 km. Now we think that Ganga is the largest river basin of India. That now not called Indus River because most of the Indus River part flow in the Pakistan. So Ganga is the largest river basin in India. Last जो हमारी है वो है ब्रह्मपुत्र river. Brahmaputra river also originate in near Tibet, Mansarovar Lake. It flow in the eastern side. In Tibet, Brahmaputra is known as Sangpo. In Tibet, Brahmaputra have less water and silt because it is a dry and cold climate. Then Brahmaputra reached the Arunachal Pradesh. There his name is Dihang. It entered in India, in Arunachal Pradesh, through Arunachal Pradesh in U shape. After that, it entered in Assam. These two, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, these two states have heavy rainfall area of the India. So the Brahmaputra river here very high amount of water and entering Bangladesh. Bangladesh, here its name is Padma and meet Ganga. Both rivers through in the Arabian Sea and make the largest delta of the world, Ganga Brahmaputra delta, region of Royal Bengal tiger. So we discuss in the three river of Himalaya river, Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Thanks, have a nice day.